Hello, welcome to the channel again. My name is Lyndon, and as usual on the camera I've got Mike.
Hello everyone.
And okay, this video is something a bit different. I was on a live presentation by Brian at Finneton 2 weeks ago now, and he had 3 boxes, mystery boxes to give out, and I was lucky to win the 00 gauge one. So in this video we can open the box and look to see what we've got. Okay, this is the box, and they were donated by Scenics 3D, which I'll put the link in the description for anyone that wants to go and have a look. So let's open this box and see what we've got. It's the side, no, we got that side. It's still sealed, I haven't opened it yet, so this is the first time I've seen what's inside as well. So let's break the seal. I think that's it. Oh my gosh, the box is full. Look what's in here. I don't know. Okay, let's start with the first one. It looks like some chimney pots, 3D. They're all 3D printed, all these things. So different types of chimney pots. The next one is, I'm trying to see. Mounted screw link storage box. I'm not sure what that is, but I will have to have a look. The next one is, I should have brought my glasses. Wheelie bins, pack of wheelie bins. The next one is, gosh, screw link storage again. Another pack. Oh my gosh, there's loads of stuff in here. Phone booths, the acoustic ones, wall mounted. This one is, I'll read it. Keep left bollard signs. Okay, wow, what a box. This is amazing. Loads and loads. And we've got some, I think it's wreaths and decals and a monument. Wow. So lucky winning this. We've got some shopping trolleys. And there's more. Concrete coal bunkers. Last but not least, some more concrete coal bunkers. Well, I'm really pleased with all that. I mean, thank you to Scenics 3D. I mean, this is a brilliant mystery box. I'm going to be very busy putting some of these together and painting and putting them on the layout when the layout's up and running. Okay, thank you. Well, that was a surprise. I didn't expect all those in a mystery box. I'm well pleased with those, and thank you very much to Brian and 3D Scenics. Well happy with it. Anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video. The next video will probably be fitting a sound decoder to a class 37 Vitrains one. I've also got a film coming out before long on the layout progress, and a few others that's in the pipeline. The class 59 actually smoking. So for now, thanks for watching, and bye and take care.